Online Meetings 101. Welcome back to Homebased Mom and Dad channel. Online Meetings 101. Tips for the best experience for your teams. Get properly dressed. Look professional and presentable. Think of what you will wear if this was in an office meeting. Enjoy the fact that your teammates won't see what you're wearing waist down. Stay in your comfortable bottoms and slippers if you like. Check if your systems are working. Is your online meeting app loading well? Have your mobile data internet ready in case your current connection weakens. Is your audio system working? It's important to hear your teammates talk and that they hear you clearly as well. Set an agenda. Share the objective talking points and outcomes of the meeting at least a day before. This way, your teammates will be able to prepare and ask the right questions if there are things that are still unclear to them. Stick to the allotted time. Be mindful of everyone's schedules. Preparing an agenda easily fulfills this objective too. Give your full attention. Be present throughout the meeting. Try not to visit other websites or chat with your other colleagues while the meeting is ongoing. Stay seated and give your full focus on the agenda and to your teammates moderating the meeting. Mute your microphone when it's not your turn to talk. Any unwanted background noise can reduce the success of the online meeting. Open your mic only when you have to say something. Announce your arrival. If you're late to the meeting, let your team acknowledge you. After all, it's something you would do when you enter an actual meeting room. This is important too if you're joining a meeting of a different team and no one knows you. Manage the chaos. Find yourself a quiet spot at home to attend your meeting. Turn off the volume of your TV or music player so you can focus. Close the door to avoid uninvited party guests from arriving in the background. While it's not completely frowned upon, it may distract your teammates. Take advantage of virtual backgrounds too if your meeting app supports it to instantly turn a messy space into a clean and professional one. Wrap up the meeting. A list of important notes and clear action items is the best way to summarize a productive team meeting. Take your time. Going from face-to-face meetings to online meetings can be a big adjustment for the whole team. A supportive environment is key in helping everyone transition to the new way of collaborating. Successfully running a virtual meeting can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. When you follow this step-by-step guide, it doesn't matter if you're working with a team of 2 or a team of 10. Whether team members are 5 miles away or 5,000, you'll have everything you need to confidently run a productive remote meeting. Thank you so much for watching. Share this with your colleagues and subscribe for more tips.